Yes, now clear.
Okay.
Okay.
So have you started the recording?
Yes, I started.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. You tell me what
Yeah.
about you?
I am also fine, ma'am. I am very excited because you agree to make this podcast video. I was waiting for this opportunity, ma'am.
Thank you.
I think you are
So,
so busy
yeah.
person, ma'am, because you make a video and take care of family at the same time. It
Yes,
becomes very difficult to manage together.
absolutely.
First of all, ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Of course. As you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura, which is in UP. I'm a homemaker and I have a YouTube channel. If I
Mhm.
tell you about my qualification, then I'm graduate from commerce and I'm blessed with two kids. So this is all about me. Thank you so much.
Mhm. So today discussion topic, ma'am, how to speak English fluently and how to confidence about the English spoken English.
Yeah, of course we'll do that. But beforehand that, I would like to know something about you.
Yes,
Please
yes, ma'am.
tell me
Uh,
something.
Myself, Sarjit Rai. I am from West Bengal, near about Kolkata, and
Okay.
currently I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering,
Okay.
second year student. Uh,
Okay.
so I have need about spoken English because any IT company when I go, spoken English is so important.
Absolutely.
I create one YouTube channel, and this is a education channel as well as I create about the English spoken English. That's a better for future, and I think very helpful for me and others.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's jump into the topic. So, what were you saying? Could you please repeat it again?
Yes. So today discussion topic is how to speak fluently English about your experience, your opinion.
Yeah. See, the thing is, first of all, we need to focus on to grab the command initially. We
Mhm,
should not jump into the fluency. Okay.
mhm,
Fluency is just, it will take time to get that. Okay.
mhm,
Beforehand that we need to get the command, and
mhm,
for the command, to grab the command, basically we need to do something, basically practicing.
mhm,
We need to implement. It's
mhm,
not about just reading, writing and listening, speaking.
mhm,
At the end of the day we have to speak, so we try to speak on every single day. The more we speak, the better we become. So to my mind, try to get a hold over this English language, right? Once you have the command, then you can think about the fluency.
mhm,
It is not a overnight process. It will take time to achieve. Okay, so at least for 2 to 3 months, try to get a very good command so that you can speak English
mhm,
naturally. It should come out
mhm,
smoothly. You don't think much, and you are like speaking with a flow. You don't have to think much. Okay. After
mhm,
that, it's I can say just by doing again and again, the saying things in English, speaking, practicing, then you'll get a very good fluency.
mhm,
But yeah, it starts from the getting the command, holding a command. There are many people, they don't have a good command. They are trying to get a very good command.
mhm,
So I think this need time. This requires so much time. You have to
yes,
like yeah, you have to do so much practicing, make so much efforts, basically.
mhm.
Listening is important, but what about speaking, practicing? People are doing a lot of things. They are watching videos, English videos,
English better.
Netflix series and all.
Mhm,
But at the end of the day, they are not speaking. They
mhm,
are not putting in efforts to speak. They are not opening their mouth to speak.
mhm,
So I think this is a thing that is lacking. There sometimes people are having the kind of complaint, you can say, that they say that we are doing a lot of things, we are putting so much efforts, even though we are not getting the command. Okay,
mhm,
because initially we need the command, then after that we can think of fluency. Okay,
mhm,
so once you are so much clear with this fact that you have to get a command hold over this English language, and you are doing everything except speaking, this means you have to
mhm,
speak on every single day. Try to
mhm,
just make out time, half an hour, 1 hour at least, immerse
mhm.
yourself with this English language, make
And
your own surroundings.
mhm.
Yeah,
And you have a
after
friend.
that you, yeah,
You have
yeah,
a friend. You can practice with friends. That's
Absolutely, you can
but
practice with your friends.
most of people are shying. But he not confident. But he try to with friends, and friends are just, not serious about his spoken English. That's a big
See,
problem.
the thing is, there are people they are not serious
Yes, yes.
because they think maybe that's their narratives and the mindset. They think that we are putting in so much efforts, meaning we are taking out to read things,
Mm-hmm.
listen things, watch videos and all, writing things,
Mm-hmm. Writing things.
but they are not speaking up to the mark. And
Yes.
this is the very required thing. Okay,
Uh,
this is so relevant. If you really want to get into this any kind of conversation, then you need the kind of courage to speak English. Okay,
mm-hmm.
but there are many people, what they do all the things except speaking. They are not speaking up to the mark.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere it is lacking. And yeah, there are many people, they fear of this English language. When it
Mm-hmm.
comes to speaking English, they have so much fear, hesitation.
Mm-hmm.
And there are some people, they are very reserved, you can say introvert. So
Yes.
they just don't just step out and say things in English. So I can say, if you are so much serious, if you
Yes.
take this so much serious that okay, I am to speak in English, I have to learn English language anyhow,
Mm-hmm.
then you can do something.
Yes.
Not just thinking all the time, making a kajal in your mind, sitting
Mm-hmm.
idle, doing nothing. This will not get you result.
Mm-hmm.
Try to come out from your comfort zone and then say something. At least 2 to 5 minutes. Say
Mm-hmm.
something to other person if
But
you have anyone
mm,
to talk. Yeah.
but sentence mistake is not problem, right, ma'am?
See, there are many kind of problems a person can have.
Mm-hmm.
Like let's say there are many people, they
Mm-hmm.
they are not being able to frame sentences.
Mm-hmm.
They make a lot of mistakes
Yes.
and in the form of pronouncing the word in a proper way. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
they are getting slipped of tongue. So this
Mm-hmm.
is not a big issue, I think,
Yes,
to
ma'am.
my mind, as I think.
Yes.
See, the thing is, we need to come out from our comfort zone and they then say things. Okay, that's the major thing I can say. That's the X factor.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you are so much courageous enough, you can handle a conversation just by, just initiating
Mm-hmm.
a conversation and then say things. Then I think, to my mind, it's commendable that at least you have started to say
Mm-hmm.
something.
Yes, ma'am.
You have taken an initiative, right? And
Yes,
the
ma'am.
other thing I can say about making mistakes, so see, nobody cares.
Yes.
Nobody cares. You know, we all make mistakes. Nobody is perfect.
Yes.
Even the perfect person also makes mistakes. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So it's not about making mistakes, it's about how we conduct ourselves
Mm-hmm.
to say things. It's not about the particular language, let's say English or your mother tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Language is not a barrier. The thing is how you conduct yourself
Mm-hmm.
to other person, like how you convey your thoughts in a right way, proper way, so that other person also understanding you in the
Mm-hmm.
same context.
Each of
That's really matters.
each of understanding is matter.
Yeah,
Yes.
understanding really matter. And the way you pronounce the word, sometimes people are not being able to pronounce the word in a right way in English.
Mm-hmm.
They have some problem in pronunciation.
Ma'am, some days ago,
So
our college
yeah.
one IT company comes for on-campus placement, and
Okay.
ma'am say, first of all, interviewer ma'am say, you not confidence, you not able to uh, select it,
Okay.
and interview ma'am say, silly mistake is not problem, but you say with confidence.
Absolutely, confidence really
And one brother,
matters.
yes, one senior, he confidence, he silly mistake, but he selected.
Yeah, so
But
why did he select that moment?
uh,
Why was he selected by other people? Yeah, like the
because he
seniors.
a lots of mistakes, sentence mistake, but he say with confidently.
Yeah,
That's a
that's
matter.
really matter. See, it's not about grammatical mistake.
Yes,
It's
yes,
not about if you sometimes get slipped of tongue.
yes,
As
yes.
I earlier mentioned you, how you conduct yourself.
Mm-hmm.
See, the other person will notice and observe your expressions,
Mm-hmm.
facial expressions. Okay, whatever. Let's say you have fear.
Mm-hmm.
You are fearing. You are
Yes, yes,
hesitating. Okay,
yes.
so this will show up in your face.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so other person can observe you.
Yes.
They will observe you. They will think that okay, he's a very shy person, he's very reserved, very introvert,
Mm-hmm.
he's not going to stand
Mm-hmm.
and all. Okay, so that moment you are going to be rejected.
Mm-hmm.
So the thing is that the confidence, how can we boost our confidence, how can we build our confidence, just by doing speaking, practicing again and
Practice.
again. If you have some, like some of your friends, then you can talk with them, do your speaking, practicing. And if you don't have, then try to speak with yourself.
Ma'am,
See, we all the time we are thinking, so why don't we think all the things in English? Try to think things in English.
thinking abilities so important.
Yeah, but we need to train our mind.
Mhm.
It's not a overnight process that all of a sudden you will start thinking in English.
Mhm.
You can do the translation from your mother tongue into English, but it will take time. You need to just put in efforts just
Effort
by training your mind
and
to think in English.
consistency is so important.
Yeah, absolutely. If you are serious enough, you are doing things with the consistency, and you take it seriously.
Hmm.
Like you are not taking a day off, a single day off. You are talking with your friends, you are doing speaking, practicing, and the words you are pronouncing in a right way.
Mhm.
That's really matters, because sometimes we are pronouncing something else and the other person can misunderstand us.
Mhm.
Okay, just by pronouncing the word in a wrong way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I purchased a Jostol app bike on call. This
Okay.
12 month subscription, 499 rupees. That's a that's a good. I every day practice because here no share face because
Okay.
calling.
Okay. Okay. So I have some Skype groups.
Mhm.
Okay. If you like, then I can add you there. There are so many people,
Okay, ma'am.
ladies, gents. You can
Yeah,
talk with them anytime, audio, video, both.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
After conversion, you share on Gmail ID and I join.
Yes. Yes. I will add you there. You
Yes,
need
yes.
to just download Skype app,
Mm-hmm.
and I have groups, some groups.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also the part of that group, so
Mm-hmm.
I can add you there, and you can also add your friends as well,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
like who is wanting this, so you can add them, so that they can also get the benefit.
Mm-hmm.
The benefit is all about the environment, right?
Yes, yes,
It is we have to speak. Okay, nobody is
yes.
doing to, let's say, if you want to lose your weight, so nobody is going to do your workouts.
Mm-hmm.
You have to do your workouts.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing applicable here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the thing is, you have to speak, you have to just put in efforts, make out some time. But the thing is that you will be having some environment, some people, you can talk with them anytime, audio, video, both.
Yes. Environment so important.
Yeah, absolutely, we can immerse ourselves with the environment and
Mm-hmm.
talk a lot.
Ma'am, how are going on
Yes,
your life?
my life going very well, very nice,
Very
very
nice.
good, fantastic.
Yes. Ma'am, today weather is in your area gloomy or shiny?
It's sunny today,
Sunny.
and 2 days back it was raining. Yeah.
Raining, yes. In our area, rain. Within
Okay.
within 3 days, continue rain.
Yeah. See, the way, as again I'm saying this, the
Mm.
way you say things, try to say all the things in a natural way in English.
Yes, yes.
See, because when we say things in a robotic way, let's say you have learned something,
Mm-hmm.
any topics you have learned. Okay, now you have to say to another person. Basically, you have to deliver it to other person,
Mm-hmm.
to some people, in front of some people. So it should be appear in a normal way, natural way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have to do the practicing.
Mm-hmm.
Practice does matter here. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
more you do practice, the better you become.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, and the kind of these kind of natural aspect
Mm-hmm.
will show up when you do this again and again on every single day.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking, practicing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So thank you, ma'am, for giving your valuable time.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, God bless you, ma'am. If we are lucky, we will talk again one day, ma'am.
Yeah, of course, of course. And
Yes.
I'll add you there. Just download Skype app.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And please message me or mail me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll add you there.
On
Okay.
mail,
Thank
you
you.
send a link. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.